Happy New Year! Today we're going to walk you through the process for commissioning a show from Fanon Musical Productions. First, you'll want to head over to fanonmusic.com, where you'll find links to over 100 shows organized by level, new work, the Scott Coder and Rosie Queen Signature Series, and original compositions and arrangements by our team of award-winning composers. Be sure to check out our complete concept series, where the wind book, percussion book, drill, props, uniforms, flags, and even storyboards are all available. Watch out for future videos where we will take you on a virtual tour of each of our different series and offerings here at FMP. Once you've found your next show, the first step will be to get in contact with us at FMP. You can do this through the Contact tab on our site and by contacting John directly by email or phone. Each show is customized to fit the specific needs of your ensemble. Do you need percussion, drill, choreography, or guard work? We've got you covered. If a section of music is a little too ambitious, we can help simplify, or vice versa. If there's a solo in the flute, but you have an all-state trumpeter, no problem. Our job is to help you sound your best. At FMP, we offer regional exclusivity with all of our shows. This is to help ensure you will be the only band at your contest with that show, so be sure to contact us as soon as possible to make sure the show is available in your area. Once you've contacted us, we will hold the show for you for a week until we receive Step 2, your signed contract. The contract will need 2 signatures, one by the director of the ensemble and a second by whoever is in charge of payment at your institution. That could be a principal or a booster president. We can do digital contracts via DocuSign, email, fax, or good old snail mail. The next step would be copyright permissions. If you select an FMP show composed by one of our composers or a show with exclusively public domain material, you can skip this step. If not, we're happy to help you with this process. We will request the rights for you and even pay for the fees for you, but please keep in mind the additional copyright fees will be included in your final bill. Step 4. Get your music. All music will be shared via Dropbox, typically within 24 hours of copyright approval if you're running a show with copyright protected material. In this Dropbox, you'll find folders with PDFs of the scores and parts, MP3s, MUS files, and XML files, and a FMP customization form. Step 5. Fill out and return your customization form. We take customization requests in the order in which they are received, so the sooner you send us your notes, the sooner we can send you your music. The form looks something like this, and it will help us to get to know your ensemble a little bit better. Step 6. Download the customized files from your dedicated Dropbox folder. This will, again, contain all of the necessary files for instruction. The final step, payment. We accept POs, checks, and credit cards, although keep in mind there is an additional 3% charge for credit cards. If you are interested in commissioning a brand new show, we can help with that too. And the steps are very similar to renting. First, you'll want to contact us to set up a meeting regarding your show. At FMP, you get a team of experienced, trained, award-winning professionals that can help provide any marching band service you require. Once we've crafted the idea for your next show, you'll sign a contract. The third step would be requesting any copyright permissions needed. This step is important because we will not be able to start any new work on a show that requires copyright clearance without the appropriate permissions from the publisher. You can ignore this step if you've decided on using public domain material or commissioning one of our composers for a brand new original work. Step 4. Complete the customization or music design form. Step 5. Schedule writing. We collaborate and share with you as we write. Step 6. We will create a Dropbox folder with your customized PDF scores, parts, MP3s, MUS files, and XML files. Step 7. Any edits or rewrites you might require. And Step 8. Payment. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know how we can help you with your next marching band show. Happy New Year from all of us at Fanon Musical Productions.